I'm glad you could join us for this guided meditation. Find a comfortable seat. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Feel yourself begin to relax. Relax your face. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyes and temples. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. You might notice tension or a sense of calm and ease. If there is any tension in this area, allow it to release with each breath out. Just noticing the top of your head. Notice any sensations here. Bringing your awareness now to your face and jaw. Letting go of any tension or pressure. Whatever you notice is fine. We're just observing. Gently moving your attention to your chest and heart now. Being aware of any sensation or experience here. Just noticing the abdomen now. Notice any itching, pulsing. Whatever you notice is fine. Bringing your awareness now to your seat and pelvis. Moving your attention now to your upper legs and thighs. Being aware of any sensation or experience here. Shifting your focus to your lower legs now. Gently moving your attention to your feet now. Now scanning the body up and down and noticing how you're feeling right now. Turn your full awareness to the body and to this present moment, letting go of any pressure to be anywhere else, settling into this time and space. Now gently rest your attention. If your mind wants to concentrate, allow that to happen. If your mind wants to be distracted, allow that to happen. And as we come to the end of this practice, bring your attention back to the room, noticing the sounds and smells in the space around you. Bring some movement slowly back into the body. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation and found it helpful. For new meditations and more, subscribe to this channel. May your practice leave some residue of calm and mindfulness in the rest of your day.